How do we know if an apparent nimitta experience is real? Can the mind fool us? Definitely. So nimittas can be delusional as well. So that is the reason that we shouldn't be attached to the nimittas. We can rejoice of seeing or experiencing those apparent nimittas, but we shouldn't be attached to it. As we experience it, know it, just let it go and go along with it. Do not attach to it. And that's also one of the reasons why we generate ill will towards our own meditation objects. Suppose yesterday you had a nimitta, a beautiful nimitta, or maybe some form of a messenger appeared in your nimitta, and today you are practicing, you want to attain that, and if you can't attain that, then you will have a doubt, and you will have the so-called ill will or angry towards the object of a meditation. You may think, oh, yesterday I was contemplating on the breath, that's how I attained those nimittas, but today I am practicing the abdominal, maybe that is the reason I cannot attain it. That sort of feelings or understanding can come, and ill will towards the objects may arise. And the mind can be a very funny thing, that it can cheat us. It can, like, there are some number of examples. That there's one example I will tell you that I think I have mentioned a couple of our discussions as well. That there was one man out of faith, took the meditation objects from the master and went on practicing in a remote village, and later on he realized that he was enlightened, he was an arahat, and out of the gladness and joy, he wrote a long letter to his master saying that, oh, on this day, this and that moment, I am attained, I am liberated, and I am arahat. So he sent that letter to the master, and then after master read the letter, on the back he just wrote fart and sent it back to him. And the very moment when he received that letter, the same letter he wrote to his master, nothing. And when he look at the back, and he saw the word fart, and he wasn't happy. So he traveled from that village to see his master, which took so many hours or days. And arriving at the master's temple, he said, Master, I have explained to you that I am attained enlightened, and I have explained detailedly, then why did you write the fart? And the master simply said, oh, if you are enlightened, you would not have traveled that far to see me just to clarify the word fart. So like that. So mind can play a trick a lot. So that's why it just needs to be very, very mindful. That's why in the practice of insight meditation, so-called vipassana meditation, we simply watch whatever arises and know it rather than grasp, responding it, recognizing it, and just let it be. That is okay, fine, go on. Even that nimitta has to change.